Good morning.
Say good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
What day is it today?
Saturday.
Saturday what?
Saturday, May 3rd.
May 3rd, right. Your sister was wrong. What day were you telling her what? Telling him it was?
May 4.
No, that's
But
tomorrow.
you was wrong, right?
Yeah.
So don't take me. I'm not ready.
Okay.
Don't think
What'd you
we-
say?
not
What was that?
Don't
Yay.
And this is why we call him Joey. I love you. Hi guys, it's 9:45 in the morning. You guys just saw Joey say hi. I am actually right now saving my collab video that's going to be uploaded today, so it will be definitely uploaded before this vlog. So I'm saving that to my computer. I just finished editing it and everything. It takes a while to save, unfortunately. And then I'm going to put it to upload, and then I've got a bunch of stuff to do. My house is a wreck. I had such a busy week. We had field day and field trips and graduation planning meetings and doctor's appointments and just so much stuff. So I have to catch up on laundry and cleaning and just a bunch of stuff. And to top it all off, I'm throwing my husband a birthday party next Saturday because he is turning 30. And so I definitely need to get the house like guest ready. So I'm doing all of that, and I need to make a trip up to Costco, which we have a Costco that's like 15 minutes away, but it's a business center, so it doesn't sell a lot of the stuff that I would buy normally. I have to make a trip up to Costco, and I'm thinking about going to IKEA because there's a few things I wanted to get the kids for their room. That's what we're doing now. I'm just sitting on the couch waiting for this to save so I can put it to upload and I can get going. I'm dressed, sort of. I'm just in yoga pants and a t-shirt, and the kids are out in the garage with my husband because, as I mentioned in my collab video, so you'll see before this, he's fixing his car. He has to go to the junkyard and get parts. So I don't know, this weekend is kind of up in the air as to everything that we're going to get done, especially since he only has today off, and then Sunday he does work. So yeah. Hi guys, 10:23. Oh goodness, I'm so tired today. I left my video uploading. Hopefully when I get there it's uploaded. When I get home it's uploaded. I'm crossing my fingers because I've been having some issues with YouTube. I'm actually now in the car. My husband just took the kids into the junkyard with him. He's gonna get a part for his car, and then we decided that while we're out we'll just go to IKEA and Costco and all those places. So we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna bring you guys along.
This, I think, and you do this. I think that.
Oh, can't see it. There it is. Wow, that is a very dirty receipt. Did you get that off the floor? Yes. What's Dad doing? Waiting?
He's waiting in the mechanic.
That's not a mechanic. That's a junkyard, sweetie.
Junkyard. Just do this.
Okay.
And then do this.
Okay.
Then you do this. Then you do this. Then you do this.
Awesome.
But if you want it bigger, you can do this.
Very good.
And this is why I do my other stars.
Awesome.
I went to Juliana to it.
You taught who? Bailey? Oh, okay.
Music. 8 ball.
Hey, you gotta get out of my seat.
Magic 8-ball.
Magic 8 ball. Will I win the class support?
Go, Kaylee's.
Let's say quick.
Reply hazy.
Reply Hazy.
All right, go.
Well, I finally.
The kids just made their lunch. Oh, it's not focusing. Hold on, Joe. All right, what are you having for lunch, Junior?
Peanut butter and jelly.
On what kind of bread?
Cinnamon bread.
Cinnamon raisin bread, peanut butter and jelly,
And
carrots.
carrots and dried cranberries and pumpkin seeds.
All right. How about you, Kay?
I have a chicken salad with oranges.
Okay, and how'd you make your chicken salad?
I just got spinach and tomatoes, and then my mom put chicken in the microwave.
Grilled chicken in the microwave. And then what kind of dressing you have?
Ranch.
Ranch dressing. And some oranges?
Mm-hmm.
Well, those are some good lunches. I'm going to get you guys some milk.
Yay!
Whoa. Look at you. What are you doing? Do you know? Are you trying to remove something? I guess those gloves double as mechanic gloves, huh?
Watch what you're doing. Is it coming out? Alright.
Is it?
Yeah, he's taking it out. Taking it out. Here, hold on. Put this here and turn it. So it comes out. Try to pull it out. There you go. Good job.
Woohoo! Good job, little man.
So Dennis did that all by himself.
That's all there is.
You excited? Let me see. What'd you take out by yourself? Show me.
Yes.
Awesome. Let me see your outfit. Outfit of the day, outfit of the day.
Don't do that. You're going to get dirty on the car. The car's dirty.
OOTD. Okay. Come on, Kay.
No, be cooperative. Or you're
I'm not bringing my purse.
Okay. How about your hat?
I'll bring that.
Yeah, I know you'll bring that.
Don't close the door until she's done because it's locked.
You ready? Freddie?
Ready, Freddie?
Come on.
They're grumpy because they just woke up from that.
Sure are. Do you know where we are?
IKEA.
All right.
Did we already go to Costco?
Did we already go to Costco?
No, baby.
Her room back?
No, not yet. I pay it off every time. $100 in American
What's with the
Express.
crabs?
Apparently that's a thing here now.
And before I saw a whole bunch of fish.
I like this.
That's the same as our outside one, but a mini one.
No, it's metal.
Oh, it looks wood.
It looks nice.
Because ours is this one, but
Little mini thing.
we have this one. I don't know. We have this mini one, but ours has Dexter bite marks on it.
Yeah, this is
And no
the exact one.
cushions.
We just don't have cushion.
We'll be okay. What size is this? We can afford this and my mortgage payment, right?
What?
You could eat on one of these. I have one for you. It's purple, but you could use it.
It's 270 square feet. Should be nice. Look, it doesn't feel small.
I like the wall things.
I like the skyline.
Yeah. What? What entrance?
That he's blocking.
That's where the elevators are.
Oh, thank you.
He's not blocking anything. Let me see, Kaylee's.
Good job. Who's that?
You and who? Daddy. Did you guys have fun in the play place? Can I see your picture? Who's that? Okay, you're having technical difficulties?
shelves we have, but they're lined with this, and it's perfect.
Who's in your picture?
This is Devin, this is me.
Oh, you and Dad? All right. So, are we staying here?
Yes.
What?
Let's go.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Let's go, Kay. Don't copy.
Guys, we're going to Costco and we're going to a box to give away some clothes.
Where did we come from?
One from IKEA and we went to
What you doing?
Donating clothes and shoes. What?
nothing.
What'd you say?
Nothing.
He's what?
Nothing.
Tell me. I won't tell him. I won't tell him.
He's right there.
It says, it's time you had a fairy snack, mother. Snacking is the best part about life. It should be both delicious and carefree, like magical yoga pant material or weird nail polish colors. That's why Angie set out to make a light, tasty treat that satisfies without triggering post-snack guilt. Always simple, always real, free of gluten, trans fat, and preservatives. And because it's made by Angie's, it's got all the delish that comes from being made with simple ingredients you'll love. Geez Louise, at only 35 calories per cup. Stop reading this and start snacking already. I mean, it's just popcorn, but...
You can't use that.
Why? Hey guys, it's been a long day. It's 5:20. We are home. Well, we're in our town, but my husband went into Advanced because he has to get some bolts, I think. Caliper bolts or something like that. Yeah. And we just got out of Costco. So we're almost home, but both of the kiddos are sleeping and I've got to go home and make dinner. Yeah. So that's what's going on now, and I think I'm just going to make this a whole weekend vlog. I think I'm just going to make it like a whole weekend vlog because we did stuff today, but it didn't show any of it. I've got a lot of cleaning to do. Yeah. I'm going to show you guys the invitations I made for my husband's party. Hold on. So this is what I'm covering the bottom because it has all my personal information, but these are his birthday party invitations. It's basically the King of Spades and the King of Hearts, since his name is Calvin, starts with a K, yeah. So that's it. I got them at Costco. I guess I can kind of show you guys what we got from Costco. It's all separate. My husband's birthday party, but I got 2 packs of their drumsticks. So it brings 5 in each pack, and there's 6 packs. So 60 drumsticks. That's what we've got. 60 drumsticks. Let's put them in my freezer, which is already jam-packed as it is. Interesting. And then I got some feminine products. I got the Boom Chicka Pop, which I showed you before. I got the Canadian Hawaiian sweet rolls for his birthday party. Is it out of focus? There we go. And then I got some Sundrop tomatoes, which we buy those regularly, so we just are out of those. And then I just got this big garden salad mix, which I'll just put together for the party. You have to take the whole thing apart. And then we got thing of the 8-ounce bottles of water, some juice boxes for the kids that'll be here, some Corona for the adults that'll be here, a thing of Coke. There is a thing of Crush mug root beer and Crush orange, Crush grape, and mug root beer. I don't know, just a big variety pack, and then Sprite. That's everything from Costco. From IKEA, the flower pots are from the Dollar Tree. We got this little glass vase thing and 3 bamboo. This is for my husband to take to work with him. And then we got, let me turn on the light. And then we got these Beckham spice wraps. We're going to just spray paint them white. They look like that. And put them up next to the kids' beds so they can put the books that they want to look at night in there. We got 4 of these white 12 by 12 pillowcases for the living room. These things I thought were pretty cool. They're like bag closing thingies. So we got this 30 pack. I think it was like $1.99. I got these ice cube trays because 1, they're cute, and 2, the regular ice cubes don't fit in my water bottle, so these will make smaller ice. So I got the flowers, which needs to be washed because the yellow bag we used in IKEA had dirt in it and I didn't realize, so I would wash them anyways, but it has dirt on it. And then these little fish, I thought they were cute. These are 99 cents each. I don't know how much this was, but we needed a new popsicle maker, so I got this one at IKEA. I'm not sure how much it was. And then lastly, I got another one of these like fake plants. This one's going in the living room. So that's everything from IKEA and Costco.
There you go. Yeah, hold that there. Very good. Keep going. Tighten that sucker.
Can he reach? What's he standing on?
Get on his tippy toes. You can't turn it. No, it's still there. Keep going. Just hold it. There you go. You gotta make sure it's tight. You don't want the wheel to fall off when I'm driving.
It's so tight.
Is it?
Oh.
Man.
It took the whole thing off.
Oh, you're right. This is very tight. Look at that. Oh, yeah.
Apparently the sound effects are necessary.
Give me the hammer.
Apparently the tool is stuck on there too.
The hammer's here, Joe. Joe. You were pretty much stepping on it.
What?
I'm gonna go charge my camera. Hey guys, it is Sunday morning. It is 10:48. We just got home from church, changed out of our church clothes, and now we are going to wash the cars because my husband's car is finally fixed. Woohoo. Gosh, it's like a pollen monster, the car.
Alright guys, watch the front of my car.
Watch at the hose, watch at the hose. You gonna fall?
Yeah.
Don't worry. I didn't film it, don't worry.
Oh, you didn't see that. That didn't happen.
Joe, don't. gonna get that.
Did you grab the stuff you wanted to return?
Yeah, it's in it.
Go ahead, talk to the camera.
We're going right there.
Say hi, guys, and tell them where we're going. But you need to be able to see
He doesn't
yourself
know
right
where
here.
we're going.
Say we're going out on a surprise.
Hi, guys. We're going out on a surprise.
And what did we just do?
We just washed the cars.
Hey, Daddy won't tell us where we're going.
Daddy won't tell us where we're going.
Hey guys, we just got home from seeing Spider-Man 2 in IMAX 3D. It was a great movie. I was kind of shocked. I'm not gonna give anything away though. Right now, Kaylee's is changing because she had put her church dress back on, and we are going to, where's my water bottle, plant these flowers. We got some African, let me put my water bottle up. We got some African violets for the teachers, as it's Teacher Appreciation Week. So we've got 5 because we have a teacher in juniors pre-K that was Kaylee's teacher last year, and she's just like their favorite, one of their favorites. So we get her something every holiday. But we just bought some African violets at Home Depot. I got some other stuff I needed. And we've got these pots, flower pots that we picked up at the Dollar Tree. And we're gonna go ahead and plant them in those. So, yep, that's what we're up to now. You ready?
These 3 are mine.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get to work, and then we've got laundry to put away, and their uniforms need to be stuck in the dryer, and my husband went to work already. So, yep, that's what we're doing now. Oh, oh, oh. One more, Junior.
I need this one needs a lot more.
No, we're gonna put the flower on top of that, baby.
So this one need more because this one.
No, let me see. I think, yeah, yours need a little bit more, Kaylee, so yours are a little bigger. Joey, I think that's gonna be too much, buddy. Yeah, that's too much, Junior. The flower's not gonna fit in there.
Let's see.
Oh, that should be okay. Okay.
I think I need a little for now. Mom, my plants are blue. Wait, one. That's the one I want to put from Miss Grant.
Yeah, what vase are you gonna put it in?
The red one.
No, let's put it in the green one.
Okay.
Go ahead and put it right. See, it doesn't fit.
Told you.
You told me, or I told you?
Told me or I told you. I'll go get the other.
And voila, there's our Teacher Appreciation Week flowers for the teachers. I might print something up that says like thanks for helping me grow or something like that. To put with the flowers, not sure, to be honest. To be honest, I have a ton of schoolwork to do. My house is a wreck because we have not really been here all week. And weekend or week, all week I was busy. So, yeah. I've got to do some stuff. I did some planning yesterday in my planner, but I've got more stuff to do because it's like a big planning week for me, because even though I use my planner nonstop with everything I do, volunteer-wise and everything, I also, since I'm doing my husband's party I've got a lot of work to do with that, so I've got to make sure I have everything done on time. So right now I'm taking off my sandals. The kids want to play outside, and I'm gonna sit in the corner of the couch where I can see them and go ahead and start working on my assignment, because I have an assignment due today and an assignment due tomorrow, and I'm really wanting to finish both of them tonight so that tomorrow I can focus on getting my house back in order. And we do have to put laundry away, and I've got to make dinner. It's 5. I haven't even thought about dinner. We might just have something like really simple, mac and cheese or something. But yeah, that's what's going on now. I've got to get that laundry situation worked out. I've got to stick the uniforms in the dryer, and then I just have to start working on my work, and in a little while the kids are going to have to come inside to start putting their laundry away.
Hi.
And see the mess. See the mess. Mess.